Hey guys, so I am doing a really quick makeup tutorial today. I'm keeping it really simple. I don't have a lot of time. I just wanted something a little bit natural. I'm just doing a few things around the house, but I just wanted to feel put together today. So I'm using the Vanity Planet Blend Party. I haven't used this yet, so I've been really curious about the brushes, so let's do it. And then I'm going to use my Face Tape by Tarte and just a tiny bit of that Amazonian clay. And then I'm going to use my the larger brush, and I'm going to go ahead and apply. So the thing with these brushes are, they're supposed to be known for really good with blending and contouring. Your normal brushes, you lose a lot of makeup product between them. These have more fibers on them, so by having more fibers, you don't lose as much product between the bristles of your regular brushes. Application really does make a difference. I mean, product is, you know, you gotta have good product, but that is the Revolution. It's also vegan, cruelty-free. I should mention the brushes are also vegan, cruelty-free as well. And I am going to use this brush here, and I'm going to contour. And I'm going to do just a little bit of eyeliner. So I've got the Benefit roller liner in black. I'm going to do that very minimal. Okay. Then I'm going to go back with the very thin one with my little bit of my bronzer, and I'm going to go right underneath my eyeliner, just so it's not such a harsh line. I hate harsh lines, and I want it to have a little bit of a blend to it. Blending's the best. I'm gonna go back up on top. Perfect. And mascara, Bad Gal Bang, that's my fave. All my makeup product is vegan, cruelty-free. I'm very big on that. I get some sensitivity in my eyes a lot. I wear contacts, and it is amazing. I've had a lot of issues with them before. So I am very careful about what product I put, especially on my face and on my eyes, because of being so sensitive. And I'm just gonna go back through with very lightly. Just for a little bit of color, since I'm all bronzed today instead. There we go. Okay, then I've got an eyeliner. I've got NYX lip pencil mahogany. I like that. And finally, then I have the Revolution Sheer Brilliant. This is shade Chauffeur. It's really pretty. I like it. There you go. Natural, simple, good to go. That's it. Have a great day. Bye.